Hi everyone, so today we're going to learn how to solve a word problem involving quadratic equation. The population of a town P of t is modeled by the function is given here, where t is time in years and t is equal to 0, represents the year 2000. When will the population reach 6,000? So first we have to understand what this equation is telling us. So P of t is equal to 6t squared plus 110t plus 3,000. Our population is 6,000, and once we plug everything in, once we have the time, we're going to get 6,000. Okay, so that's basically what it is. And what we have to find is time. So we have to extract t from this equation. So let's write everything down first. Okay, so from here, we have to move over 6,000 to the other side. That way we have to take into account that 6,000 is part of the equation. So it becomes equals 6t squared plus 110t plus 3,000 minus 6,000. Okay, and then continue copying everything down, minus 3,000. Okay, so from there, we're going to extract t by, so we either can use factoring or we can also use quadratic formula. I always opt to use the quadratic formula because it's very straightforward and it's more accurate in a sense that it's a formula itself, so it gives you the direct answer instead of using factoring where you have to do trial and error. So basically that's why. Oh, so 2a's, but it's up to you. It's good to use both so that you can check your answers. Over 2a. Okay, so negative b, that's I'm going to use orange for that. So our b is 10, so negative 110 plus minus 110 squared. So let's take out our calculator. 110 squared. Okay, so 110 times 110, we get 12,100 minus 4 times our a is 6, 4a, and then c is negative 3,000. Okay, so bring everything down, copy everything, and then 12,100, so it's a negative and negative, so 3 values to multiply, but negative and negative is a positive. So put that thing down first, and then we can just right away plug into our calculator. Okay, let me review that. 4 times 6, so 24 times 3,000. 24 times 3,000. So 24 times 3,000 is 72,000. 24 times 3,000, yep. Over, let's not forget our 2 and our a is 6. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it over here. So 12,100, let's just add that, 12,100. So 84, and then square root of that is 290. So we're in this part where we write negative 100 plus 290 over 12 since we're aware, right, that it's plus and minus, and our other solution would be negative 110 minus 290 over 12. Okay, so 290 minus 110 divided by 12, so 15. And then for our negative values, because it's negative 100 minus 110, 110 plus 290, and then just write 290 plus 110, 400. So negative 400 divided by 12, that's negative 33.3. Our two t's are 15 and negative 33.3. So we have to use the positive value. So our t, as we go back to the top, our t, I'm going to write it in blue, is 15. And as we go back, t equals 0 is t 2000, right? So if t is equal to 15, which is what we got, then t is equal to 2015. Okay, so we can stop there because we answered the question in year 2015. That's when the population is 6,000. We can also check if it's right by plugging it here and check to see if it's equal to 6,000. Okay, so that's how we confirm if our quadratic formula solution is correct. Okay, so yep, that's it.